Just a second. Yes, down. That's it.
Yeah, here he is.
It's down.
We're down?
Yep, shut the base. Progress on the boat is coming along. I still have a problem with my battery monitor. This Xantrax Link 20 has just been flashing with the volts, and then this battery status 2. None of the buttons work. Not sure. Took everything apart, put it back together. All the connections are solid. So I went back to what the boat originally came with. This is an amp meter, which it's really hard to read because we're down just below 5 amps being consumed by the refrigerator. And I noticed my voltmeter wasn't reading correctly, so I got a new voltmeter that shows house battery would be battery 1 and starting battery is battery 2. Both are float charging at just like 13.2, 13.3. Another thing that's got to be done today is I need to install this bilge pump. Hopefully I've got some of these fittings here to make a barb. Shouldn't be too hard. The existing one is all rusted and shot. It's been there forever. This is a used one. Normally these pumps go for around $400. I got this one for about 75 bucks. Looks pretty good, and it's about I think it's the same one that I already have, so I have some of the spare parts. And we're also working on the teak outside. This is what it used to look like, grayed out, and now this is with just washing it, using a teak brightener, and then oil. Another thing that's on the list today is I have to pin all the standing rigging. This is the life cock I used when I rebedded the mast, and we've had rain for the last 2 days, so no leaks yet. And that is the new Rockna anchor. That'll go up on the front of the boat today. Work out.